Bindi or kumkum or tilak has been worn in Bharat since ages. However, today's generation seems not much in awe of it. It makes an appearance on their forehead only during traditional festivals or ceremonies like weddings, whereas the West has started wearing it as a fashion statement. Hi, I'm Vandana. Welcome to the 13th episode of Inspire. Today I'm going to talk about the disappearing dot, the bindi. The word bindi comes from the Sanskrit word called bindu, which means a drop. Red bindis are made from kumkum, which is a powder made from turmeric and slaked lime. The color of a substance is because of what it reflects. A red color means it's not red, it rejects red. Red is the most vibrant of all colors. A bindi or tilak is worn both by men and women on forehead. A tilak could be a straight line, U-shape, or 3 lines on forehead. Red bindi with sindoor is a sign of women being married. Red is also the color of Devi. Deviyon is how women in Bharat have been addressed at many places even today. Bindi tattoo on the forehead is one of the cultural practices from rural areas of Bharat. Bindi made from chandan or sandalwood can aid in cooling our minds and improves our ability to concentrate. When we wear a bindi from bhasma or ash, it helps to understand that in the end our lives get turned into mere ashes. Unmarried women or young girls usually wear black bindis made from lamp black or kajal. Around 3000 BC, the Rishis wrote the Vedas in which they described the existence of areas of concentrated energy called the chakras. There are 7 main chakras that run along the center of the body, and the 6th one is located exactly where the bindi is placed. It is known as the Ajna chakra, the brow chakra, or the third eye chakra. Ajna chakra is connected to our hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is master gland of endocrine system that controls activity of all glands in our body. Hypothalamus controls the nerves in the brain. Optimal level of hormonal release by pressing will lead to optimal functioning of all glands in the body. Thus, when these two are stimulated by pressing on the forehead, it is easier to embrace the concealed wisdom. It can also aid us in arriving at the latent energy. You can retain the vitalities and remove their imbalances by wearing a bindi. It would help in meditating and bringing our focus back. Problems like insomnia, headaches, concentration can easily be solved by this stimulation. Shirodhara treatment in Ayurveda uses the same region for dropping oil. The continuous drip of oil will help in reducing health problems. The point between our eyebrows represents the third eye. If we are able to move beyond the material realms, we can ascend to transcendence. It happens with the opening of our inner eye, which would help us to foresee our inner God. By wearing a bindi made from kumkum, chandan, or any other natural source, we can connect with the divinity. It is essential, however, to wear natural bindi to attain these benefits. In modern times, this traditional culture of wearing bindi is being used by medical professionals also. An initiative called Life Saying Dot or Jeevan Bindi used bindis to deliver an essential micronutrient iodine. In India, about 350 million people are at the risk of iodine deficiency because they live in areas where crops are grown in iodine-deprived soil, and about a third of the families don't have access to iodized salt. So what if a bindi could somehow give women the iodine they need? That was the idea behind a new campaign that was started by Neel Vasant Medical Foundation and Research Center, a non-profit based organization in Nashik, India. Dr. Prachi Pawar said it was a way by which she was hoping that iodine would reach the people. These bindis were distributed to more than 30,000 women in 2015. This project got Index Project Award in 2017 for design. The organization worked with the creative ad agency Grey Group Singapore to come up with a way to coat the back of the bindis with iodine. The hope was that the iodine would be absorbed into a woman's skin as she wears it. Our tradition has been very rich. There is a scientific basis for most of the things that we do. Let us do our best to preserve it. Let us wear the dot. Thank you very much for listening to me. Bye-bye.